Thousands of people came to Los Angeles airport to protest against a ban on travel to the United States by nationals from 7 mostly Muslim countries. The protests blocked a road in front of the terminal, causing disruption to some passengers. There were similar scenes at airports across the United States on January the 29th. In Atlanta, the protests forced the police to shut down a road in front of the domestic terminal.
We're estimating between 5,000 and 7,000 people here today. We have not had any significant incidents whatsoever. No arrests have been made at this time.
The ban was implemented by President Donald Trump using an executive order on January the 27th. The order says it is to protect the nation from foreign terrorists. It bans Syrian refugees indefinitely and suspends US arrivals by citizens of Iran, Iraq, Libya, Somalia, Syria, Sudan and Yemen for at least 90 days.
Those were the 7 countries that both the Congress and the Obama administration identified as being the 7 countries that were most identifiable with dangerous terrorism taking place in their country. Now, you can point to other countries that have similar problems, like Pakistan and others. Perhaps we need to take it further.
In New York, an estimated 10,000 gathered at Battery Park within sight of the Statue of Liberty, a symbol of welcome to generations of immigrants. Many protesters said they felt the measure was a betrayal of American ideals.
It is, and as my sign says, morally wrong and patently unconstitutional. It's unacceptable. It goes against everything that this country stands for, everything this country was built on.
Oh, I think it's really terrible. It's un-American, it's unconstitutional, and it has to be revoked and changed and fought against with everything that people can muster.
Closing the borders to citizens of some Muslim countries was one of President Trump's most controversial election pledges. Delivering on it has sparked not only nationwide protests, but also legal challenges, with advocacy groups promising further court action.